you imagine being down there
Yeah.
as this thing's coming through?
Very good afternoon, once again Disney Fantasy. This is Stephen, your cruise director speaking. And once again, on behalf of our captain, our officers, and all of our amazing crew, welcome aboard the beautiful Disney Fantasy for your cruise vacation. As promised earlier, I'll now take the opportunity to highlight some of the entertainment options that you have planned for you this evening. But first of all, a quick announcement about these announcements actually. This will be the very last